Competent Drone Pilot Telecom is a training program to safely fly unmanned aircraft or drones and become part of the PPE on a cell tower construction crew. Towersafety and Instructions CDPT Certificate of Completion course will allow an owner, CM, PM, foreman, or the competent person to safely and legally fly a small UAS around communication towers. We have developed best practices necessary to operate drones safely and efficiently in the telecommunications environment. Towersafety and Instructions CDPT course consists of 32 clock hours, with 14 hours online, 2 hours of FAA examinations at a certified center, and 16 hours, 2 days, classroom and flight time. A competent person CDPT pilot's license and certificate of completion is good for 3 years. For more information and to get started, please visit towersafety.com.